ChatGPT recently released the study mode, and this mode helps you to use ChatGPT not just to have the ready answer, but to guide you through your studies. And as I did with Notebook LM a few days ago, I'm doing now the study mode to help you to make some questions and nice questions for the PMP exam. Let's see. Hi everyone, here is Ricardo Vargas, and today I want to show you a new feature of ChatGPT that can help you with any type of study. And what is the difference between this study mode and the regular mode? The study mode does not provide you the answer directly, but helps you to navigate through the process to get the answer. It's like helping you to study. And this is exactly what I plan to show you today. But before, again, as I asked you before, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and also following me on LinkedIn. I'm publishing several videos of AI in project management, and this is one of them. Now, let's go to the problem and let's see what we can do. So I have here ChatGPT 4 open, and I need just to make a setup before we start. I need to click on Tools here, and I need to click to select Study and Learn. So Study and Learn, it will appear here like this, Study in blue, and then I have my prompt. I am preparing for the PMP exam. I would like to study with some questions to see if I am ready for the test. Can you help me on that? And then I press enter. Absolutely. Okay, so it's asking me which areas I want I'm strongest, how far I am ready for the exam. I want to understand more the ITTO, so inputs, tools and techniques, and outputs of the processes. Okay, I'm just making up this. Great. Okay, so let's do it in a smart way. It's asking me one question at a time, okay? So question one, which of the following is not a tool or technique used in the define scope process? Expert judgment, product analysis, alternatives analysis, or variance analysis. Okay, I believe that what is not a tool and technique in define scope is variance analysis. So I will put D here and let's see what happens. Nice job, you're right. Answer D, variance analysis. Okay, so it's saying that this is the wrong one on that, so I was right, and it explained it to me. Did you see? It did not give me the answer, but it's guiding me through my study. So let's reinforce this. Quick check. Which process uses decomposition as a tool or technique? Okay? Define activities, collect requirements, create WBS, or plan scope management. Okay, the right answer here is create a WBS. But I will put collect requirements. I will put B. Let me answer this wrongly. B, and press enter. You are close. But the best answer is C, create WBS. And then it's explained to me what is the composition, why it's not B, and a quick recap. So it's amazing. It's one of the best ways you can use to study for the exam. So you can use, for example, as I said, Notebook LM to go deeper and study more. But here you can, for example, every day practice like 5 or 10 questions using this. And you can study not for the PMP only here. You can study anything anything. For example, right now I'm studying quantum computer, and I'm using this a lot, this is study mode, because the study mode does not give, because if I'm not using study mode, it will give immediately. For example, what are the tools in the create WBS process? Poof, it will give me the answers. And if you are studying, you don't want the answer. You want to test your knowledge first and then get the answer. So this is exactly why we use this type of tool. So it's a simple tool, direct tool, and very helpful in any process that you require study and that you do not want to have a direct answer to you, but that you want that ChatGPT helps you to think through the answer. And this is why it's so helpful, for example, for students in the K-12 or for students at the university. Think about that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and follow me on LinkedIn. I publish these videos very often. I hope you enjoy this and see you next time.